Hello friends, today I am going to teach you a delicious tip on how you can easily enhance the flavor of your homemade meals using simple ingredients. Remove the background from your photo. For this I will give you some instructions. First of all, please you are required to open this website by using the link which I will provide for your convenience in the description available at toolsdreamfaceapp.com. Please open this website and I will demonstrate the process by copying and pasting the necessary information so that you can easily access it without any trouble. Here is the website that you need to open in order to access the important information required for your task. Please take a moment to carefully review all the details and explore its features when you have the time to do so. When you open it, a user-friendly interface similar to this one will promptly appear right in front of you, allowing you to navigate and interact with ease. In this platform, a comprehensive suite of tools is thoughtfully provided to users, including an advanced photo enhancer and a reliable background remover for various editing needs. There is a link provided here for your convenience. Please click on the remover feature and the system will promptly guide you through the process to upload your photo successfully. Therefore, you simply need to upload your photo from this location in exactly the same way that I am currently uploading my own photo. At this moment it will begin processing for a short duration and then you will successfully receive this photo. It will remove it completely and do so with very good quality. Here you can see, please take a look. You drag it like this, it will remove and you can simply click on download here to download your photo. I hope that all of you have liked this tool very much and found it useful. Thank you very much to each and every one of you for your continued support.